Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Kindly confirm that you are able to hear me properly. Today we are just trying to discuss about few commands present in Maven lifecycle. Let's try to understand how can we utilize them. And one of the key command we are trying to discuss today and its purpose we are trying to apply here. As you can see here, in last session we have covered Maven compile command, Maven install command, and few other commands we have seen. But today we are just trying to apply only a phase of Maven lifecycle, which is called site, or we can say site command. So how can we utilize site command in Maven lifecycle, and we can utilize in Maven project? Kindly pay attention here. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share, and comment, and like all the videos, because I will update new videos. I upload new videos on my YouTube channel, so few aspirants will also get the advantage from it. So let's try to apply one of the key command, or we can say Maven lifecycle phase called site. Before I apply this, I'll try to give you a purpose of this command. The main purpose of site command is nothing but giving you details about your project, like what are those dependencies you have added, what are the plugins you have applied, what is the name or artifact id or group id you have added by default in your project. If you want to get the details about them, you can simply try to hit a phase or command called site. Okay, so we have to apply it. So how can we achieve it? I'm trying to show you, and please apply the same thing in your Maven project. So I will try to right click over the project one, which is by default built in Maven. I right click over here, and you can see show in option is visible. Simply I try to click on terminal, and here I need to write mvn space site. Now you need to press enter. Once you press enter, you should wait for a while to complete the whole process. You can see here it is showing me build success. It simply indicates that folder automatically created in the target folder. I'll show you before you are completing this. You just have to refresh your project once, and now inside the target folder you may see there is a folder called site. In the site folder, you may see there is a file called index.html. You simply right click over this file and try to open with your web browser. Once you click on the web browser, you can see here, here is the URL of the file. We can say that. And here is all about your project. Like we are working with, project one. So it is highlighting it. If you try to get more details, you may try to click on dependencies. In the left side, they have given the whole project documentation. You may get the detail about the project dependencies. All the dependencies are by default highlighted here. Apart from this, you may also get plugin management, you may also get dependency management, and furthermore, you are also getting the summary of your whole project. Like here is the summary, like project information, project organization, build information, everything they have by default set in the site. So I hope you have got the clear idea about the Maven lifecycle phase called site, and how can we apply in the terminal. I have given you the example. Try to do it practically by your own self. If you have any other question, any doubt, you can just ping me in the comment box. I'll try to give the response as early as possible. Thank you team, and have a great day. Kindly like, share and subscribe.